Mark again from Panel Perfect, welcome back. Today we've got something a little bit different or very different today. We've got a 70s restored Camaro with a dent in the door. Not sure how it happened, not terrible. There's a bit of a mark around here, there's something a little bit lower, a little tiny mark in the wing as well. So I will show you the damage and we'll get this fixed. We'll give you a little walk around the car as well. It's a beauty, I love it. It's an awesome bit of kit. So I will give you a little show around and. Okay, so here's the car. It's a beaut. It's an awesome bit of kit. I love it. It's been repainted, as you can see, in a metallic blue. Looks stunning actually. Show you the business end. This is, I'm not sure exactly what engine it is, but it's a huge, great big thing. Wouldn't want to feed her, that's for sure, but absolutely stunning looking vehicle. The reason it's in with us today, there are a couple of dents. This is the more minor of the two. I don't know if you can see that there. There's a little bit of a ding in the wing, just around here, around that kind of area. You can just see it changing the Ferrari badge. We go. See it in that Ferrari badge is what you're looking for there, and also, again, certainly nothing major at all. But you've got a bit of a shimmer through this door here. You can see the reflection of the bug there. It has a little wobble and something a little bit lower down. So if I show you roughly where the wheel is, if you're looking at the wheel of the bug, you can see the change there, and obviously the bit higher up is a bit more noticeable. So there we go. That's what it's in for today. So we'll get it fixed. I'll show you. I'll actually try to show you the repair process today as well, and we will get it done. So report back soon. Okay, so now we're ready to start pushing. We've got the stainless window board in against the window. Got a wedge just to open the gap up between the window scraper and the glass, just enough to get our tool down. I've had a little feel around inside. There is a brace section that runs through, but thankfully there's a gap that we can get up towards the dent a little bit. You can only attack it from one way, i.e. this way. There's actually a brace that runs down vertically, which stops you getting in from the front, but thankfully you can still get to it from the back. This is going to be my tool of choice today, certainly for the most part. It's an adjustable handle, so I can flip the side left and right, and like I said, a hook, so we can actually get back up underneath that brace and get to the top of the dent, which we will need to do. But let's get pushing. Excuse me for putting that back to you. So just carefully, mini pushes. Just repairing that dent. Everyone thinks you're going to get a giant pop, but you do not. There's lots of smaller pushes. One great big push will just ruin the dent completely. You'll end up with a big high spot. Lots of small micro pushes. This panel, as it turns out, is not a genuine door skin. The door skin had some damage, so it was replaced. So this is an aftermarket door skin that was fitted during the restoration. A little bit thinner on the metal, which is probably why you know, it got dented. It's quite easy when you are manoeuvring these big heavy panels around, put your hand into it. So I would say it could have happened whilst they were fitting it, or just afterwards someone leant against it, or you know, anything like that. So quite easily done. So let's crack on. It's going to take a few minutes, so I'm going to put you on time lapse.